Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about evaluation, meaning and concept. As you know, it is very important topic because when we go in the class and give some content to the students, then we want to know that students are inculcating some values and knowledge whatever you are imparting to them. So with the help of evaluation, we can assess their skill. So today we will discuss about evaluation, meaning and concept. In this topic, we will touch some points we have mentioned here. Introduction, history of evaluation, meaning of evaluation, definition, characteristics, improvement of evaluation, objectives of evaluation, need of evaluation and conclusion. So here you can take a screenshot of this because I want to give you some notes in detail. As you are seeing here, introduction. So evaluation is the wider term and play a very important role in teaching learning process. Assessment of student learning requires the use of a number of techniques for measuring students' achievements. So many techniques teachers apply to assess or measure the students' achievements, but assessment is more than collection of techniques because it begins with the identification of the goals and end with the judgment of concerning the extent to which those goals have been attained. And in point I want to discuss here, the Secondary Education Commission also observed that nevertheless examination and especially external examinations have a proper place in any scheme of education. The external examination have simulated effect both on the pupils and the teachers by providing well-defined goal and objective standard of evaluation. So after doing the introduction, just we will go or give some glimpse on the meaning of the evaluation. Yes, now you can take a screenshot. Now evaluation means to add certain growth and changes taking place in pupils as a result of teaching learning experiences. To evaluate means to characterize the work or value of something. It is methods of determining the extent to which established goals or objectives have been achieved. So it is a process of making an overlay of the outcomes as an indicative experience against the background of the anticipated or stated objectives. So it is not restricted to the result of the tests or examination or the teacher's estimate, but includes the learner's own estimates of his own ability. It is very important line last. You can just emphasize on this. The result of the test and examination or the teacher's estimate, but includes the learner's own estimates of his own ability. So I also here discussed some definition. Now you can take a screenshot like yes, definitions of evaluation. As you are seeing here, Ralph Tyler. Evaluation is the process of determining to what extent the educational objectives are being realized. James M. Lee. Evaluation is the appraisal of pupils' progress in attaining the educational goal set by the school, the class and himself. The chief purpose of evaluation is to guide and further the students' learning. So evaluation is thus a positive rather than negative process. The concept of evaluation in education 1963 of the NCERT consider evaluation as the process of determining. So, the extent to which an objective is being attained, the effectiveness of the learning experiences provided in the classroom, and how well the goal of education have been accomplished. Now we will discuss some characteristics of the evaluation. As you are seeing here, it is a continuous process and it is a comprehensive process, and it is a valuable and indispensable for policies and further action. And evaluation includes academic and non-academic subjects It is not confined to the classroom only right now, and it can be postponed till the end of the year, and it is procedure for improving the product. It is compound observation, and evaluation must form integral part of teaching. And further, evaluation indicates an interrelationship among the society. Evaluation is systematic process, and evaluation is also includes teachers evaluation. इसमें बच्चों का ही नहीं, टीचर्स का भी evaluation include होता है. Evaluation is the process of the determining. It's very important point. Evaluation is the diagnostic appraisal, and evaluation is reliability. Evaluation includes both quantitative and qualitative description. It helps in redefining the instructional objectives on the basis of feedback, and evaluation may we get validity. So specific objectives कुछ evaluation के यहाँ हम शो कर रहे हैं इस स्लाइड में. सो यू कैन सी कि क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं. टू हेल्प इन डायग्नोसिंग वीकनेस ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. विद द हेल्प ऑफ इवेल्युएशन वी कैन डायग्नोज द स्टिमुलेट इंस्ट्रक्शंस होते हैं, एंड टू हेल्प इन मेजरिंग फैक्चुअल नॉलेज, टू मीट डिस्क्रिप्शन criticism, and to help in predicting future achievements, and to test the development of skills and attitude of the students. इससे हम स्टूडेंट्स का कितना एटीट्यूड डेवलप हो रहा है वो हम देख सकते हैं. सो इन दिस वे वी आर रीचिंग इन कंक्लूजन. नाउ यस, यू कैन टेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट. Evaluation becomes a necessary tool in the educational process, because you have seen earlier, evaluation emphasizes on teachers' evaluation of their pupils, continuous assessment, introduction of grading in place of numerical marking, use of evaluation as feedback for improvement of the teaching and learning, and emphasizes shift from external examination to internal assessment by the teachers. So in this way, the meaning and concept of evaluation you have seen here. So please, you just go through it, and evaluation meaning and concept.